Hi friends, today's video is about how to make simple and easy quilling temple or mandapam. Without any delay, let's get started. Now join 5 mm level strips. Here I am making pillar of mandapam or temple. Now join 10 mm level strips. Here I am using only yellow color and two tight coils are ready. One 5 mm, one 10 mm and make a dome shape and apply glue inside the dome. My one strip length is 28 cm and make a deeper dome 10 mm strip. Make little cone shape, little bigger cone. Do it very slowly when you are making cones and apply glue slowly inside the cone. Apply it neatly. Now join 5 mm 7 6. Make total 2 coils of 7 strips and 7 shapes. Here I am making pillar and apply glue to stand stiffly. Now tight coils are ready. Now join 5 mm 15 strips of 2 tight coils, 15 strips and 15 strips. My one strip length is 28 cm and make a dome. Make as shown in the video and apply glue inside the dome. It is very easy to make at home. Now make another dome also. Make little bit bigger and apply glue. It will be the pillars. Here I am making pillars for mandapam or temple. Now the domes are ready. Now join 5 mm 20 strips. Make a tight coil of 20 strips. Make to the 2 tight coils 20 strips and 20 strips. Now connect 2 domes. Take back the cones and connect the 2 domes. Now take another 2 base and connect on the edges of the cone to make a pillar shape. Now it can be stand. Now take another domes and attach on the base on the upper side and take another dome and paste it on the downside of the pillar to make a pillar shape. After let it dry. After drying it will be like this. Now take back the 2 tight coils. Now attach the second one base. Now the base is ready. Now attach on the another side also same base. Let it dry for some time. Now the pillar is ready. With the same procedure I have made total 4 pillars for the base, standing base. Now take a cardboard sheet and take a newspaper and paste cardboard sheet in the middle of the paper. Apply glue neatly to stick it very well. Place in the middle. Now cover the edges as shown in the video. Cover neatly without any gaps. You can use it as a marriage mandapam or you can use it as a temple. You can use it as a ganeshmandapam. It is up to you how to use it. For Golu special festival, here I am doing this. You can paste inside a marriage team also and take a yellow color paper and attach the cardboard sheet in the middle and cut the edges with the help of scissor. and cover the edges. Cover the 4 edges neatly without any gaps. Here I am making Golu special quilling mandapam or temple. You can use it for the multiple purpose. It is very easy to make at home. Now the cardboard sheets are ready. I have made total 2 with the same height and length. Now the bases are ready. Now join 5 mm 15 strips and make a dome shape and apply glue inside the domes. Apply neatly so it cannot be removed. With the same procedure I have made total 4. Now join 5 mm 20 strips and apply glue around the base and now take back the dome and connect to the base. Now add glue around the dome. Now the domes are ready. With the same procedure I have made total 4 and take back one cardboard sheet and take the 4 domes and paste it on the 4 edges. It will be the legs for base. Stick it tightly, turn around, it will be the base. Now take back the pillars and paste it on the 4 edges with the help of Fevicol. Attach on the 4 edges neatly and tightly so it cannot be removed. So take another pillar also and attach another 2 pillars neatly. Now 4 pillars are ready. Let it dry for some time. Now take back the another cardboard sheet and place it on the upper side. Add Fevicol on the 4 pillars and cardboard sheet also and paste the cardboard sheet on the upper side of the base. After like this it will be like this. Now join 5 mm 50 strips. Take a Fevicol bottle and wrap around the until end. Here I join total 50 strips of 5 mm and add glue around the tight coil. Now join 10 mm one strip. Make big tight coil of 10 mm. I have made total 12 and apply glue and paste it on the tight coil as shown in the video. Here I am making upper pillar of mandapam to decorate a temple. Complete it. Attach tightly so it cannot be removed. Now join 5 mm 50 strips. Now make a dome shape. Make as shown in the video. Now apply glue around the dome. Apply neatly glue around the dome so it cannot be removed. Now join 3 mm 20 strips and make a tight coil and make little dome. Make as shown in the video. Not bigger dome, make a little dome. Now apply glue around the dome. Apply neatly without any gaps. Now the tight coil is ready. Now take join 3 mm 12 strips and make a tight coil and apply glue around the tight coil to and again join 3 mm 15 strips and make a little dome in a pot shape. Take another cone tight coil and do it the same. Now apply glue around the 2 tight coils. It will be the pot shape. Here I am making upper part of pillar. Apply glue neatly and attach 2 tight coils. It will be in a pot shape. Now join 3 mm 2 strips. Make 2 tight coils, 2 strips and 2 strips. Now join 5 mm 1 strip tight coil. Take 2 strips tight coil line, make little dome, and take another tight coil line, make a cone shape with the help of pencil. Now apply glue around the domes. Apply neatly with the help of brush. Now connect the 2 domes. Now the cone shape is ready. Now add glue and stick it on the 5 mm tight coil to give a nice look. Now take back the big tight coil and take back the dome and paste it on the big tight coil. It will be like this. Now take another tight coil and stick it on the big tight coil. Stick it neatly. Now take another base tight coil and stick it on the tight coil. Now take a pot shape tight coil and stick it on the upper side. At the last, take this cone shape tight coil line, attach on the upper side. It will be the upper pillar of the temple or mandapam. Hope you enjoy this design. Now join 5 mm 35 strips and make a dome shape. Now take a Fevicol bottle and star it neatly and make little lesser as shown in the video to make a cone look. Now apply glue inside the cone dome neatly. Apply neatly without any edges so it cannot be removed. Now join 5 mm 1 strip. Now join 3 mm 2 strips and make a tight coil. Here I am making side pillars of temple. Now make a little dome. Apply glue inside the dome. Now join 3 mm 2 strips. You can take 3 mm and 5 mm as your wish. Now make a cone shape. Now apply glue inside the cone. Now add glue and connect the 2 domes. Now take back the 5 mm tight coil and attach 5 mm tight coil to the cone. Now the cone tight coil is ready. Now attach the tight coil to the on the upper side of dome. It will be the side pillar. With the same procedure I have made total 4 pillars. Now 4 pillars are ready. Now take big pillar also. Now with the same as I made previously, I have made this cone and I have attached around the mandapam to give a nice look. With the same procedure I have made and I have covered on the 4 edges of the temple. Now take back the big pillar and attach in the middle and also add 4 side pillars also. After attaching it will be like this. You can use it as a multiple purpose like marriage mandapam, ganeshmandapam. You can place any god ID line, you can worship it easily. You can do any concepts with this temple. Golu special quilling mandir or temple or mandapam is ready. You can place Durga Ma for this Dasra special and you can worship it. Hope you all enjoy this video. If you like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more interesting craft videos. Thank you friends.